Alright guys, I'm going to go over the questions with you. Make sure you follow along for each question, and then you can go back to the tab with Module 4 test. Alright, so the first one says, which two animals had the same number of votes? So Mr. Brown's class voted on their favorite baby animal, puppy, kitten, bunny, or chick. And this chart shows how the class voted. So which two animals got the same number of votes? Here's your choices. Puppies and kittens, puppies and rabbits, rabbits and chicks, or kittens and chicks. Okay, which two animals got the same vote? Number 2, what is 646 minus 140? Please write the problem down so you can see what it looks like. Number 3, this is one we talked about yesterday. Remember what we did yesterday. Which of the following correctly completes the table showing 10 more and 100 more than 432? Always go back to the original number. 10 more, then 100 more. The pictures are a little hard to see, so I added the numbers. So the number would be in those boxes. Which one fits? If you can see the little small pictures, then you can use the pictures. All right, number 4, what is 156 plus 235? Please work it out. Number 5, what belongs in the box to make the number sentence true? You got 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 12. Solve your problem. Number 6, what is 340 minus 125? Write down the problem like we always do on top of each other and then solve that problem. Number 7, what is 100 less than 831? What is 100 less than 831? Number 8, a deli served 64 lunches. Each lunch came with either fries or chips. How many people might have chosen fries and chips with their lunch? So you're looking for the one that makes 64. Number 9, which of the following number sentences is true? So you're going to have to solve them so that you can figure out which one is true. Check each one. All right, number 10, it says a bakery surveyed 25 customers to find out the favorite cupcake flavor. The graph below shows how the customers voted. So here's your chart. They want to know, the question says, which flavor had the fewest votes? So is it vanilla, strawberry, lemon, or chocolate? Which flavor had the fewest votes? All right, number 11, Tabor took 41 cards from a deck of playing cards. Some were red and some were black. Which of the following shows how many red and how many black cards he took? So you're looking for the one that makes 41. Number 12, Demi got $50 more for her birthday than Alyssa. Alyssa got $40 for her birthday. So how much money did Demi get for her birthday? So Demi got $50 more than Alyssa. Alyssa had $40. So which one is 50 more than 40? $10, $20, $90, or $100? All right, this next one, it says Matt emptied his piggy bank and counted how many of each coin he had. The graph below shows how many of each coin he had. So he had some quarters, some dimes, some nickels, and some pennies. These were the amount of coins he had in his bank. Number 13 says how many coins were in his piggy bank. So we're just counting the total number of coins, not how much money he had, but the total number of coins. Okay, so it's 24, 23, 19, or 14. All right, number 14. There were 48 babies born at the hospital in January. In February, 13 fewer babies were born than in January. So how many babies were born in February? So in February, there were 13 fewer than January's 48. So how would I figure out 13 fewer than 48? Number 15, Madeline counted the cubes in her tub. She had 26 cubes, which is 16 fewer cubes than Belle has. How many cubes does Belle have? So Madeline had 26, and that number is 16 fewer than Belle. So if she has 16 fewer than Belle, then what do we know about Belle? She has 16 more. So how many does Bill have? Number 16, Mr. Tomlinson's class voted on their favorite after-school activity. The graph below shows how many students voted for each one. The question is, how many total votes were there? So you're counting up how many total votes they had. Number 17, a park ranger counted 29 bears in March. This is 18 more bears than she counted in February. How many bears did she count in February? So this number in March is 18 more than February's. So how are we going to figure out February's? If that's 18 more in March, then what do we know about February? All right, number 18. What is the sum of the addition problem? So you are just adding the problem. Remember, it does not matter what side that equal sign is on. That's 241 plus 308. 241 plus 308. Number 19, what is 441 minus 235? 441 minus 235. Please put those on top of each other like we always do and pay attention to the numbers. Work the problem out. And then your last one, what is 451 plus 255? What is 451 plus 255? Please make sure you go back and check your answers. Take your time.